Hi. I just want to make a point to everyone. Okay, I have Bieber fever. I'm a belieber. Okay? So, he's like, yes, he's perfect. You can show me how you work it. Okay, sorry, getting into it. See, I have Bieber fever. It's taking over my brain. Okay, well, Justin Bieber's over here. Oh, I'm gonna retweet this. That's cool. Yeah, I'm Justin Bieber. Woo, retweet. Yeah, I'm retweeting. Oh, look, Lono Joe 94. Who's that? Me. But I'm not gonna retweet her. Because she's just weird. Oh, retweet. Lordo Joe, we are not retweeting. Do you see what I'm trying to say to you people? I'm just crying. Retweet me! Okay, well, have a nice day, and I hope this opens your eyes. Not that I don't love Justin Bieber, I love him with all my flippin' heart. It's deep. And that hurt my boobie. Okay, well, I'm gonna go just cry to myself to sleep listening to Justin Bieber's beautiful angel's voice.